Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating issue of the PayPal Friends and Family option not showing up in 2025, you're in the right place. This feature is super handy for sending money to friends and family without those extra fees, but sometimes it disappears due to account settings, app glitches, or even regional restrictions. Don't worry, I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that could get it back in no time. First things first, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified. Log into your PayPal app or website, go to your settings, and check if your email, phone number, and bank details are all confirmed. If not, complete the verification process right away, as unverified accounts often hide certain options for security reasons. Next, update your PayPal app if you're using the mobile version. Head to your App Store, search for PayPal, and hit that update button. Outdated apps can cause all sorts of problems, especially with the latest 2025 updates that might have tweaked the interface. Once that's done, try clearing your cache and cookies. On your browser, go to Settings and clear the cache, or on the app, force close it and restart. This often resolves temporary glitches. Now, double-check your account preferences. Sometimes, PayPal restricts the Friends and Family option based on your location or account type. Go to Sending Options in your settings and ensure it's enabled. If it's not, you might need to adjust your payment preferences. If these steps don't work, it's time to contact PayPal support. Use the help section in the app or visit their website to chat with an agent. They can investigate if there's an issue specific to your account. Remember, in 2025, PayPal has introduced more robust security measures, so be patient and provide all necessary details. And there you have it. Easy fixes to get your Friends and Family option back. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.